Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6i, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. So, to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, we're gonna look for Storage. It's probably they put it in additional settings because I can't find it in the main settings page, so see, yep, there it is, storage. And from here you want to scroll down to your SD card right at the bottom, and you should see the format SD card option right here. So tap on it, select format SD card. For some reason, if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you need to confirm it. Never seen that before, but anyway, let's just confirm it. And tap on the button once more, and this will initiate the format of the SD card. Now this should only take a couple seconds. Oh, there we go, and as you can see, it's already finished. Click on OK and you're done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.